This video is to show you the latest release of our ad hoc inspection process, which has been specifically created to work with Cirrus8 and CirrusFM. So what we were finding is a lot of our commercial property manager clients were saying that they required more than just an inspection tool for ingoings, make goods, and periodic inspections. A lot of the time they were going down to either meet with a landlord or with a tenant, and that meeting could be to discuss a variety of things, whether it's an incident on site, whether it's some maintenance or anything else. And what people wanted was the ability to create a professional report that was flexible in its content. So this video is to show you how you can do that, and we have improved the process so that you can actually schedule within Cirrus8 an ad hoc inspection, or you can create an ad hoc inspection on the fly from the app, linking into your database of properties and leases. The end result is an inspection report that will it's based around the reason for why you're there, matters arising, actions, and meeting notes. You can add photos to it as well, and you can also create a work request on site and push that back to CirrusFM. So let's move forward. We'll show you in this video how to create an inspection by scheduling it in Cirrus8 as an ad hoc, how to do an ad hoc inspection from the app on the fly, and then where it goes back up to within CirrusFM and Cirrus8 as well. Without further ado, we shall move to the next stage of the process, scheduling your ad hoc inspection report in Cirrus8. You can create an ad hoc inspection in a couple of ways. One of the ways is to schedule it within Cirrus8. So to do that, what you need to do is to either in the properties screen or the leases screen, I'll go to the properties. I'm going to find a property, Hampton House, there we go. And from this screen, I'm going to jump to inspection. And in inspections, this is where I create an inspection. So you can create your routine inspections, your condition reports here. With an ad hoc inspection, you can select a start date. So I'm going to go for the 12th of September. I'm going to make it monthly, so I've always got one ad hoc inspection being scheduled a month. And I'm then going to choose routine, because that's going to be triggered within the routine template to choose the ad hoc version. Then I choose the template, which is the ad hoc profile, and add new. So I'm going to put an end date in there, 12 months time. So I'm just going to go through to next year and put it down to the 8th there and add them. So that will add all my ad hoc inspections, one per month. That's scheduling them, and then when I'm in PIM, I can bring up, import my ad hoc inspection, and I can change the date to when I want to use it. The alternative, which is new, is you can create an ad hoc inspection within the PIM app, and I'm going to show you that now. To create an ad hoc inspection within the PIM app itself, what you need to do is first of all make sure you are integrated with Cirrus8, navigate to the Inspections tab, press the plus sign, and then select from the available options Ad Hoc Profile. This will bring up this screen. You need to then navigate to the little eye icon, press on there, and it's going to refresh your database of properties and the tenants associated with those properties in the app, and you can select from here the property or the lease that you want to create an ad hoc inspection against. You can filter and you can search. I'm just going to search up here for my Hampton House again. There it is. You'll see I've got my property details. I've also got the leases associated with that property. I'm going to select Meet and Bun, press Done. And that has created my ad hoc inspection. It's created my ad hoc inspection, ready to go. You'll see it's brought in the details of the tenant, phone numbers, email addresses. I press Done, select, and I can start my inspection. I've got 4 areas that are automatically associated. These are in the ad hoc profile: reason for visit, matters arising, actions and meeting notes. I can add any area that I want to by pressing the plus. I can delete these as well if I want to. So if I don't have any meeting notes, for example, I can just swipe to the left, press delete, and get rid of it. I'm quickly going to put something in here: reason for visit, meeting with the tenant to discuss a hole in the fence that needs repairing. We agreed to get 3 quotes and present the 3 quotes to the owner of the property for approval. Discuss with colleagues back at the office and arrange for 3 quotes to be sent. I'm just going to add a couple of photos as well to this. I won't take them from my phone, I'll just capture them from my photo library. Please use your imagination for those hole in the fence things. Add those photos. Done. Okay, so I've completed my inspection. Go back to my home page, go to my little action button up here, and I'm going to submit that inspection. So that's now going to create my ad hoc inspection. It automatically does this, or cleverly does this. So from your routine inspection template, it creates another version that says ad hoc. It will complete this and then send it up to Cirrus8. There it is. I'll view that report quickly. I can see in there now: reasons for visit, matters arising, actions, and there are the photos associated with the inspection. Remember, when you do an ad hoc inspection, you can also create a work request at the same time. If I go back into my inspection, go into my photos that I've taken, I can press the edit button in the top right hand corner, select the photos that I want to use within my work request, navigate to this little tab down here, 2 photos selected, and send a work request to CirrusFM. I can put in here a reason for it, or for the reason for the work request. Create 3 quotations to repair the hole in the fence. And I can tap to select a priority. I'm going to put this one in as a high priority. Press done, and that will now send that work request up to CirrusFM, where a colleague in the office, or I can have a look at it when I get back into the office, can complete the next stage of the process. Okay, that's done. Right, I'm going to go back up into Cirrus8 and show you where these 2 reports and the work requests have gone to. Okay, so I've now navigated back up to Cirrus8, and I'm going to find that ad hoc report that I've created. If I go into leases, I'm going to search in my leases. Underneath here, I'm going to search for a lease. And I am going to look for, in here, meat and bun. There we go. In meat and bun, which should come up now. Yep, it does. I'm just going to scroll down to my inspections area, which is in here. I'm going to go to next because I know it's the last one I've done. So here we go. There is my inspection. I can now download that inspection and I can have a look at it. So let's just prove that that is the one that we've just created and sent up. There you go. Reason for visit, meeting with the tenant to discuss a hole in the fence. And there are the photos that I attached to that ad hoc inspection. So whether it's a property related ad hoc inspection or lease related, that's where you'll find it. The next thing that I'm going to do is go into, into this area here. I'm going to go to CirrusFM, and I am going to check in CirrusFM, loading up my CirrusFM. Here we go. I now go to work requests, and that work request that I created in my ad hoc inspection should be here at the top of the list. I can go into that now, either when I get back to the office or a colleague can have a look at it. What was the reason for going? create 3 quotations to repair the hole in the fence. And here are the attachments that I added to that inspection, and I can have a look at those photos associated with the task in hand. So now I can take it to the next stage of the process, which may be creating a quote or a work order. It's up to me. So that's where they go. I think it's a really, really useful enhancement to the integration between Cirrus8, CirrusFM and PIM, and hopefully you can get a lot of mileage from it. Contact us at support@propertyinspectionmanager.com to get you set up properly, or if you want to have a personal online session so that we can discuss what you would like to do.